He don't know he's hooked.
Yeah.
He's just hanging out. He's looking for something to eat. Keep him tight. Keep him tight. All right, easy, easy, easy. Pull him super hard. Easy fight you. Take pictures, Cammy. Take pictures. That is a huge tarpon.
Go down.
Go down, go down, go down, go down. All right. All right, he's gonna run in front of the boat. Hang on, you're not gonna stop him. He's diving. He's diving. Hold on, you're running past him. Here he comes. Y'all get him right here. Here he is. Nope, not ready yet. Nope. Yeah. Another bite. It's like, holy cow, why is this boat following me? Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Sammy.
I got it.
Look at that fish. It's beautiful, isn't it? This is why you come. Look at him. Down, 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 down. All right, hang on to him. Hang on to him.
You're doing good.
Yep,
I'm gonna turn the boat. Turn.
Stay away from the boat.
We're in neutral.
He's wanting to dive. All right, you're going past him. Diving on us. All right,
Good
let
Lord,
him go.
man.
Let him go, let him go,
That's for you for talking, Kevin.
Yeah, I tell a lot of people, I'm like, listen, these big tarpon, you want one, but you don't. A nice 50-pounder is
Yeah.
perfect because you can get it in, get the picture.
Bite, huh?
But you want one in your life, at least like this.
I'll catch him every day I come out here. You better turn away from me. Turn away from me.
I'll turn the boat.
Oh, he's going under.
It's all right. You might have to walk up front. It's in neutral. You doing okay?
Yeah.
If you want your dad to get him back here again, we can do that. If you're more comfortable back here.
You want to go back there?
I'd rather stick back
Okay,
there.
go on back.
Yeah,
I'll be right behind
I
you.
could tell
Go
by
ahead.
the look. Yeah, come on back here. Yeah, at least back there you got the rod holder and you got the pole and platform to lean against. That fish is not. That's
Big
insane,
fish, man.
isn't it?
That is a big fish. There he comes. Down, 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 down. All right, there she is. There she is. All right, hold on, don't. Let him get the boat over there and you wind it in. All right.
She's got to be wearing out.
Yes, yeah. A little ground on her, maybe. Right, take it easy when you pull it up. Try to keep that fish right there is at least 100 pounds.
Oh,
I
easily.
promise you that easy. Maybe 20, 120, 130. She's gonna go down. Yep, down, 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 down. Yep. Just stay on her. Just stay on her. She's right there.
Right there.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Down, 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 down.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Baby. Come on. Turn your boat. Keep up with her. She won't take on that line.
She's still right.
Is this all right?
She's right there. I see her. She's got to get her to turn her head.
Flip forward.
Oh my word. Come on, sweetheart.
Here she's swimming to the boat. Oh, the fish.
Wow. I think she's ready,
She
right?
Yeah. How's he get ready to get down there with you? All right. Get your picture. Oh.
It's like she's playing with you.
That's a big fish.
That's a big.
You could probably have to walk up front, maybe.
All right, get over there.
Here, she to back
comes
up.
up right
I
by
need
the
you back.
She's going under.
Yeah, she's down
You
under.
better walk up front here. You come over here and sit.
Hold on, she's coming around. She's right here.
Isaac.
Yeah, she's right here.
Right
Isaac, I need
Yeah.
you to.
Get a picture of that fish.
Yeah,
My God.
get a picture.
Wow. Okay.
Somebody get a picture.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Ozzy,
Get
watch
down
out.
here. Get
Right
down
here.
here.
Timmy.
Oh my God.
Come over here and get pictures of him.
Get pictures of him right there, Timmy. Hold on. I got her. I got her. I got her. Let it go. Let it go. Let it. Here. I'll take some slack.
All right, that's good.
Here we go.
That is a effing horse.
Can you see her? All right, Ozzy.
Yeah.
You got to get up there somehow. Are you getting Ozzy?
Gosh, get both.
How do you? Okay.
I'm gonna get this hook out.
Ozzy,
Look up, Isaac.
turn her sideways. One last chance. One last chance. Turn her sideways. Get it, Ozzy. Right there.
I can't hold it much longer.
Okay.
Hurry.
All right, we got him.
Woo!
Awesome.
Ozzy.
Get in front.
Look.
Huh?
Get in front and take a picture.
Get one.
Oh, you better hurry.
Where's the picture? I can't see shit.
I know you can't see anything. Just start taking pictures of her.
Grab that
Oh,
video.
look
I
at
got
her.
it.
Just touch the
And-
screen. Is it recording? At the top, it'll.
Yeah, it's-
Okay.
I think so. Look at
Turn her
her.
sideways. Here, give it to us here. There you go. Turn her. There you go. Look at it. Good job. Let her go. She's falling hard. She's falling hard.
Say goodbye.
All right, go ahead.
Oh yeah!
Woo! Ozzy, what a stud. Mr. Drew, you're the man.
Thank you so much.
You're the man.
Yeah.
That was
Thank
a
you.
memorable event.
I think my thumb on this hand.
Well done. You did so
Oh,
much
my
for holding her.
Holy
Get it,
dude, you
get
did
it.
a badass job, both of you guys.
You did awesome,
Oh,
Ozzy.
cow.
Oh my
That was a
God.
150-pound fish. Every bit of it.